I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll practice how to find surface area of a cylinder. Now, to make this question more interesting, we have taken up two cylinders, and the question is, which cylinder has the greater surface area and by how much? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Let's begin with the very first cylinder. Circular area, that is the top area, will be pi r square, right? We also have a circle at the bottom, right? You cannot see it. Now you can visualize. So we have two circles. As you know, area of the circle is pi r square. So surface area is surface area of these two circles, one on the top, one at the bottom, and then the lateral area of this surface, right? So these three surfaces should be considered to find the surface area. So we say that the surface area is area of two circles. We can write down area of top plus area of bottom plus area of lateral surface. Now, since top and bottom are circles, these are circles, right? These are circles. We can use the area of circle, which is pi r square. So we could write this as pi r square plus area of bottom, same circle, again pi r square plus area of lateral surface. Now, this lateral surface, think about 2 pi r is the circumference. So if I cut open, it kind of becomes a rectangle whose one end, the length, will be 2 pi r. Do you understand? Circumference of the circle and width will be height. So this area is product of these two, which you could write as 2 pi r h. So that is how we actually get the area. Since the area of top and bottom of a cylinder circles is same, we can write this as 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, right? So that is how we can actually simplify the formula. You can actually go one step further and simplify it further as 2 pi r common, right? And then you take r plus h. So that could also be a formula to be used. But normally we prefer to use this particular formula. So that gives you area of two circles, top and bottom, and lateral area. Okay, so we'll use this area of two circles and lateral area to find area of both, surface area of both the cylinders. So let's begin with surface area of cylinder 1. Let's call this 1. So this is surface area of cylinder 1 is equals to how much? So we have 2 times pi, we can write this as 3.14. R is 4 for us, so we'll write this as 4 square plus 2 times 3.14 times R is again 4 for us times the height of 8 centimeters. Now we can use the calculator to calculate the answer. So it is 2 times 3.14 times 4 square plus 2 times 3.14 times 4 times 8 equals to, and we can write it in decimals as equals to 301.44. Now the question says, round your answer to the nearest whole number. So the whole number is 301. 4 is less than 5, so we'll write this as 301. Area units, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter square. So that's the surface area of the first cylinder. Now let's find surface area of the second cylinder. We'll use the same formula, right? Surface area of the second cylinder is, so this time 2 pi r. At times you can also use pi, which is on the calculator, but I'll prefer to write 3.14. Radius this time is 5, right? So we'll write 5 square plus 2 times 3.14. So we are using this 2 pi RH. Radius is 5. Good to write them in brackets, and height is 4. Let's recalculate. Okay, so we have the same calculations but different radius and height. 2 times 3.14 times 5 square plus 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 4. That is radius and height. And in decimals, it could be written as 282.6. Let us round this to a whole number, which will be 283 centimeter square. So that becomes the area of the second cylinder. You can compare the surface area of both these cylinders. Clearly, surface area of the first cylinder is more than the second. Let's find the difference. So difference will be surface area of first minus surface area of second, which is 301, take away 283, and you can again use the calculator. Say 301 take away 283 equals to 18. So 18 centimeters square is the difference between the two, surface area of the first one being greater than that of the second one. I hope this video helps you to understand how to calculate surface area of a cylinder, and then the question could be extended as we did here, just to compare. Thank you and all the best.